Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad K Sangma hakalai teru jemang arajar kat kendai ula penpau bo ulong bakloi ban saya keren bat usketri ketnat ke kot ke kek sorkar pedeng halor ke kendum keram ke bami nak daw ke cinga kan at pedeng kibor penyaj bat katu kan doktor khamtam na ke cardiology department jong ke hospital Negrims kabala man kata ru ya kayap ke jong kipat ba haba keren bat kilap patai kubor Menteri Rangba ulo ong bahaduk mentahi umpat tip setia halor kita ki kenrum ki bami ekte jaka ajing sumar ka bahe tam hak than stay lami ngi jogeri ka badan Shillong la pan kedo hang ni bakalami ke jing keno bau head of department jong ka cardiology u Dr Animesh Mishra nadu ka singi baar ula sange trekam bat ban sumar ya ki bre pang klong snam na kadaw bagi bor penyan kilabat ya we bre ba ujuan de ki tiar sumar ling ba ka jing ajing bet jong u kini kecing pensanget terika menu doktor kalakta iki babun kipat ba bawan sim dawai bat pak sumar ha katai ke department.
I think health matters are always serious and there is no question of not taking it seriously. We have been in fact Negrims issue has been taken up a number of times by my government, myself including my minister and officials at the central level, and every time we have been in fact many times been in touch with the staff there, the doctors there. So we have always been in contact with all the officials and the doctors out there. And time and again we've been taking up issues related to the problems that are being faced by Negrims, including making it by an act of parliament, making it a full-fledged kind of institute at the level of AIMS. So many things have been happening. So this particular issue, as I said, has not come to my information, but then I will definitely find out about this and I'll definitely take up the matter with Delhi and ensure that this matter is taken up and hopefully we'll be able to resolve this at the earliest. And if there are some problems that are taking place, it has to be looked into and we have to find out what the causes. But I'll request and I'll speak to Secretary Health and Government of India immediately.